DJI Action 6 is already a great camera, but with a few inexpensive accessories you can unlock completely new shooting possibilities. In today's video I will show you how to turn it into a macro camera for amazing close-up shots and how to make it shoot almost like a 360 camera with an ultra-wide field of view. And the best part is that all these upgrades are surprisingly affordable. So let's start with my favorite accessory, the macro lens. This is the 2x macro lens from New Wear and it costs only around $39. Installation is very simple. You first remove the original lens protector from the Action 6 and then screw the macro lens directly onto the camera. That's it. No adapters, no complicated setup. But before you start filming, there is one setting I highly recommend. Set your field of view to wide. I tested this lens with different field of view settings, and surprisingly, wide gives the best results. It produces the least distortion while keeping the image looking natural and sharp. Now, there are a few limitations you should know. This lens doesn't have autofocus, and is definitely not designed for self-vlogging. Anything farther than about 10 centimeters becomes blurry, so if you are filming yourself at the arm's length, forget about it. But that's not the purpose of this lens. This lens is all about revealing details that you normally can't see. Tiny flowers, water droplets, textures, insects, the little details that suddenly become huge and cinematic. And that's where this accessory becomes really fun. Personally, I love using it together with the slow motion. I will often shoot at 120 fps and then slow the footage down in post. The result is incredibly smooth. Tiny movements become dramatic. A drop of water sliding across a leaf suddenly looks like a scene from a nature documentary, and because of the camera is so small, you can easily bring it very close to your subject and experiment with angles that would be difficult with a larger camera. For me, this accessory alone opened up an entirely new style of shooting. But then I started wondering, can the DJI Action 6 replace a 360 camera? And the answer is, well, yes and no. Most of the time, we don't actually need a full 360 image. What we really want is an ultra-wide perspective. We want to capture more of the environment. We want dynamic shots. We want to see our entire body when filming ourselves. And for that, there is another accessory from New Year that completely changes the game. This is the Boost ultra-wide lens. And this thing is crazy. The standard Action 6 offers a field of view of about 155 degrees. With this lens attached, that number jumps to an insane 185 degrees. Just think about it for the moment. 185 degrees, that's incredibly wide. And because of the Action 6 uses a square sensor and supports a 1:1 aspect ratio, this combination becomes ridiculously powerful. Normally, when you hold an action camera in front of yourself, you mostly get your face and maybe your upper body. But with this setup, you can hold the camera in front of you and capture your entire body, not just your head, not just your chest, your full body, along with a huge portion of the background. The results feel immersive, it feels energetic, and in many situations, it gives you the same feeling people love about 360 cameras, except you're shooting with a single lens. What impressed me even more is how seamless this experience is. The moment you attach this lens, the Action 6 automatically recognizes it. No menus, no settings, no configurations. You simply attach it and start filming. That's exactly how accessories should work. And honestly, this has become one of my favorite upgrades for this camera. But great footage isn't only about lenses. Sometimes the biggest challenge is finding a creative angle. And that's where the next accessory comes in. This flexible tripod. And I have to say, this is probably the most creative tripod I've ever used, because unlike traditional tripod, this one doesn't care where you are. You can attach it almost anywhere. A fence, no problem. A tree branch, easy. A bike handlebar, sure. The flexible legs have reinforced wires inside, which means you can bend them in almost any shape and they will hold their position securely. I have wrapped it around fences for dramatic angles. I have positioned it on uneven surfaces where the normal tripods will simply fall over, and every time it opens up another creative possibility. Sometimes you want a low angle, sometimes a top-down shot, sometimes an awkward position that would be impossible with a regular tripod. This one just adapts, and the mounting system is equally versatile. It supports cameras with a 1/4-inch screw, action cameras, and even smartphones. So whether you're shooting with your DJI Action 6, another action camera, or your phone, it simply works. Honestly, it feels less like a tripod and more like a creative tool, a tool that encourages experimentation. Because suddenly there are shots you couldn't get before. Well, almost. If you want shots from the air, you still need something else. Now let's move to the final accessory, And this is something much less exciting visually, but incredibly useful in practice. This is 10,000 mAh power bank from Telezine, and I never leave home without it. Seriously, this thing is always in my backpack. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary power bank, but it's much more than that. It features two built-in charging slots for DJI Action batteries, and it even has a dedicated compartment for storing an SD card. So instead of carrying a separate charger, separate battery cases, and a power bank, everything is combined in one compact device. The 10,000 mAh battery capacity is more than enough to recharge your camera multiple times, or recharge your phone, or power other devices while traveling. And because it supports battery for DJI Action cameras and even DJI's 360 camera, it's a very practical solution if you own multiple devices. For me, it's one of those accessories you don't think much about when buying, but after using it for a while, you wonder how you lived without it before. Because dead batteries are never fun, especially when you are traveling, or when the perfect moment suddenly appears in front of you, and that's exactly why this power bank earned a permanent place in my backpack. So, these are accessories that completely changed my DJI Action 6 experience. A macro lens that unlocks an entirely new world for close-up filmmaking. An ultra-wide lens that pushes the camera close to its 360 style shooting. A flexible tripod that lets you film from almost anywhere. And a power bank that keeps everything running no matter where you are. None of these accessories are expensive, but together they dramatically expand what this tiny camera is capable of. I will leave the links to the official stores and Amazon in the description below. No affiliate codes, no sponsored links, just links for your convenience.
And guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's episode about these accessories that will help you to expand the possibilities and creative ideas for DJI Action 6. Stay tuned because of more interesting episodes are coming very soon. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.